This is the tutorial videos for how to create looping animations inside of Blender, and this one is specifically for the grease pencil animation. So right now in this file, I'm using a dinosaur kid, which is one of my shorts series that I'm doing, and I'm using this as a example how to do a looping animations without copying and pasting a keyframe. So here is the example, and I'm gonna play the animation, and you can see the kid is dancing. Yeah, we don't need this. And you can see this is really simple kid jumping and dancing for like a 33 frames. But if you want to do a looping animations, like this kid continuously like dancing, when people making a looping animations, they used to duplicate the keyframes on the bottom right here, and then just paste it onto the next frame, which is really common method that a lot of new users or new Blender users are getting hands with the Blender's grease pencil. But instead of duplicating the keyframes and pasting step one by one, I'm gonna go to the modifiers and make sure you select the grease pencil, and instead of in object mode, you make sure you check to make sure you need to check you're in the draw mode, and go to add modifier, which is the modifier properties here, and I'm gonna add modifier, edit, and time offset. This is what we're going to use for the looping animation, and I'm gonna select this, and here we are, we got everything set. And right now, as you can see, animation is not looping. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check this custom range, and here when I select this arrow key, it's gonna show which frame you're going to start and finish, and the frame end, so you can able to loop the whole animations. So right now, my animation ends at 33 frames. So I'm gonna type down the 33 at the end, press enter, and let's see what's gonna happen. And as you can see, oh, that's my like and subscribe. Anyway, so as you can see, as long as right now the keep loop is turned on, and it start doing the whole animations, the whole looping animations. And at a certain point, you want these animations to stop, and you want to stop the animations and create a new frames to make a different movement for this character, for example. And if you want to stop the animations and create the new frames, and you find the right frames where this character is come to halt and I'm going to select the first keyframe and I duplicate and move it to the frame here. This is where the character is going to stop dancing, and come over to the time offset and you see this display and the camera icons here, and I'm going to right click and insert keyframe. Let's see, I'm going to stop the animation before this new keyframe, and I'm going to right click, insert keyframe, and I'm going to right click on this render tab and also insert keyframe as well. So if you only put the keyframe on this, the render is going to still on and is keep continuously looping the animation. So if you want to disable it, you have to keyframe on this camera icon as well, and come over to the next frame and right now my auto keying is turned on, so I don't have to right click on these icons anymore. So all I'm going to do is left click and turn off all these settings. Now it's all keyframed, and when I start playing, you see the kid is dancing and then he stops. So this is how you do the looping animations and how to stop the loop animation at a certain keyframe. So I really hope this really helped, and if you'd like to see more tutorials and my short series, then make sure to like and subscribe. This is what I made in Grease Pencil. So yeah, this is how to do looping animations in Blender.